How to tag someone on Facebook page post. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, navigate and switch to the page. And say, for example, you wanted to write a post and you wanted to tag a person in this post. All what you need to do is you need to write and tap the add icon, and after that start typing and writing the name of the person that you want to tag. And while you do that, Facebook will start giving you some suggestions that you can use and choose from. And say, for example, this is the person I want to tag. Just click on it, and as you can see, the person has been tagged in this Facebook page post. And after that, you can continue to edit your post as you usually do. Maybe you wanted to add some pictures, locations, emojis, whatever. And once you're done, you can click on next at the top right of the screen to continue to post this right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can tag people in your Facebook page posts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.